Guys, so I'm going to show you how to claim your DM to your centralized exchange wallet. That is, I think they're listed on Mexi, Bybit, Bitget, thereabout. Not too sure, but this is the whole process from A to Z. So first off, when you get your app, you can see that you can just pay attention to these things. One, this is Diam mainnet right here. Okay. Two, this is your wallet address. Okay, very trivial, but this is your wallet address. Three, this is your balance, and you can see how much it's already reflecting here. 10 Diam is what 0.12 cents. Then four, this button right here, because this is how we're going to bridge it. This is how we're going to bridge our Diam. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is you have to bridge your Diam from Diam to BSC, right? This is BSC right here. Once you click this button, you see the BSC network. So you can see there's Diam mainnet, Binance mainnet, Ethereum mainnet, Tron mainnet, thereabout. So our aim goal is from Diam to BSC. Okay, so when you want to do that, first off, you click this middle button down here, this middle button. Okay, once you click it, it will show you Diam bridge. Let's do that. Swap. Then you wait for some seconds for this to be activated. Just have to be patient a little bit. Sometimes it does this because there are a lot of people on the network and they're kind of dragging the network slow. Okay, this is taking quite some time. Let me try the other way. So the other way is basically just to click your Diam, then you see the Diam bridge by the side. Okay, so let's try this other way. Click on Diam. So this is the Diam bridge. It's like it's coming on and off because I tried mine, it was working well. I don't know why it's kind of in this state you can't really bridge it because it's like it's inactive. There's a number of users bridging their Diam, so that's why it's currently showing like this. But normally it's meant to show this blue colors you're seeing here to indicate that it's active. Okay, so let's just change this, just kind of spoil the plans. So what's basically going to happen is you're going to click on this Diam bridge. Once you click on Diam bridge, it's now going to show you two options. It's going to show you bridging from Diam, okay, to BSC. So BSC down here. And it will show you the amount you want to bridge. So I currently have 10.9. Remember, there's a gas fee of 10 Diam to bridge. So I basically have almost zero. So what will happen next is you'll see your Diam balance right here. And you see the BSC here. So you now have to bridge from Diam. Okay, sexy. Copyright. So, okay, we can see it's active right now. So this transaction is just basically, I had like 4 Twitter accounts. I claimed the 4 accounts. So what I did is I just sent everything to this, my main wallet. So I sent everything to my main wallet before I now bridged it to the Binance network. Okay, let's go on. So you then select Diam bridge. Select Diam bridge. Okay, like I said earlier, you input the amount of Diam you want to bridge. Diamante. So let's say it's Diam, not Diam. Or Diamante, anyone. Diablo. You input the amount of Diam you want to put. So if I put 10.9, they're going to take basically 10. You can see the gas fee here. A transaction fee of 10 Diam will be deducted from the amount you're trying to bridge. Please ensure you have sufficient balance to cover this fee. So they'll take 10 Diam, and that's currently 0.12 cents. Interesting. So once you select the amount you want to bridge, make sure that it's not over it. So if you have 200 now, just for instance, if you have 200, try bridging like 185 to be safe. Or you can try 190 if you want to just get this project behind you. So you can try 190, but just to be safe, try 185. Then you click on get quote. This is get quote right here to proceed to the whole bridging process. So 10 Diam as gas fee, get quote. Then it will show you fetching new quotes. It will show you that the amount you're going to pay is the 10 Diam, and show you to proceed with it if you want to bridge it to the Diam on the BSC network. Okay, so one thing I'm going to notice with the site is it's very slow because a lot of users are trying to swap their Diam, bridge their Diam, and get these projects behind them. So here we go. This is what you're going to see. Your 200 Diam, probably the amount of Diam to the BEP20. This is what you're getting. See, they've already minused the 10 Diam gas fee. They've already minused it. You can see it here, transaction fee gone. So once you're done, all you have to do is just swipe to bridge. You know what? For the fans, let me just use this my last Diam because I believe one the Diam could reach $1. Okay, let's do this. So that's it. Bridge initiated. Your request is in the queue and will be processed in 24 hours. It's meant to take less than that, but I guess they're just being formal. So now that I've successfully bridged it, don't mind seeing my Diam here. It's already in the queue and whatnot. So then you get here. Remember this. You get here. You select it. You click on BSC mainnet. So once it has been successfully bridged, it will be reflecting here. So you click on BSC Binance mainnet. So now pay attention to this. This is your wallet address. This is your Binance mainnet wallet address. Okay. Oh, you see, that's already entered. I bridged 10.9, the gas fee was 10, and you can see the 0.9 has entered. Yeah. Oh well. So this is remember, pay attention to this. This is your Binance wallet address. Because before you can withdraw it, you need a little gas fee. The gas fee is like 0.1 cents to 0.3 cents. So you can just do 0.5 cents, because at the end of the day, you can still withdraw your money back. Like now, I funded my account with $1.16 worth of BNB. And you can see after bridging and everything is 1.09, you know. So that's, you can imagine how little the gas fee is thereabout. Yeah. You know what, I'm going to do that. Okay, so this is basically 0.07. So you can see the gas fee was even less than 0.1 cents, which is quite crazy. Maybe the price has dropped or whatnot. So just 0.1 cent to 0.5 cents, you can still withdraw it later. This is my BNB now. I'm obviously going to withdraw it later because I'm technically done with this project. So like I said earlier, pay attention to this. This is your Binance address. You click on this icon right here to copy your wallet address. You then get your Bybit or whatever exchange you have. You get there, then you send some BNB over. Okay, so from your Bybit, you can send some BNB to this wallet address right here. Okay, pay attention to the narratives. You have to fund your Binance wallet address before you can proceed with it. You need it as the gas fee. All right, so when you're done with that, this is the next step. You click on Diam, you click on send. Okay, Diam, click on send. There, you now have to get your exchange wallet address, your SEX wallet address. So let me get that real quick. You get your Bybit. I think we should be familiar with Bybit. Once you get to Bybit, you then move to assets. Once you get to assets, you move to deposit. Once you get to deposit, you then search for the Diam. Okay, thanks for Diam. You then search for the Diam token. Once you get the Diam token, you now initiate, like you click on it for withdrawal. Okay, like I said, you get to assets, then you get to deposit. You click on deposit right here. Okay, so once you click on deposit, it gives you all this option. What do you want to deposit? You will go to crypto deposit crypto, because it's cryptocurrency we want to deposit into our, this crypto deposit with our Diam wallet. So you click on deposit crypto, then over here you search for diagram. Okay, so you search for Diam right here. Once you search for Diam, I bet comment down below if it's Diam or Diam, because this English, oh my god. So you can see the Diam is on the BSC network. Okay, so you select it, Diam, then you get here, you copy your wallet address. Okay, yeah, I know they always do this. You copy your wallet address. Okay, so this is the wallet address that right here. Remember, previously you have to fund your Diam BSC wallet address with small BNB as gas fee for this transaction we want to partake in right now. So this is our Bybit wallet address, or your centralized exchange, whether you're using Mexi or BitGet. Just find a way to get the wallet address. Okay, so you click on copy. Once you've copied it, you head back over to your Diam. Okay, so once you get back to your Diam, you then paste the withdrawal wallet address. That's my Bybit wallet address. You saw me copy right now. You then paste it in your Diam, and then you're 100% there, well 90% there. So what you then do is, after pasting it in your Diam, let me just get back to where I was. Okay, so once you get there, you now paste the wallet address. Okay, you paste the wallet address, you click on next, then you input the amount of Diam you want to put in. Okay, so the amount you bridge to BSC, you'll see it's reflecting here. You now input the amount, maybe 300 thereabouts, or 3,000. Wow, interesting. So let's just say 300. Once you input the amount 300, this is Sparta. So once you put the amount, you then click on next. Okay, next, there's it. Once you're on next, you're insufficient fund. So basically, once you click on this, it then shows you next. Then shows you that like you have to pay some gas fee, a little gas fee thereabouts. I think I have the screenshots here. So you just pay the little gas fee, and then you're basically good to go. That's just it. So once you pay the gas fee, then you just send it. Once it's successful, you head over to your Bybit or the exchange you choose and get ready to convert, to basically sell your listing. So yeah, that's it. So this is how it's going to display, this error codes. I don't know. I faced this issue earlier. This is just trivial, but in case it doesn't work out well and it's showing you this issue, how I was able to solve this, because I tried claiming it for like 3 to 4 times. It wasn't going towards this. It was still showing me this issue. So how I solved it was, I have a friend of mine that I trust, and he also did his own, and his own went very well. Like, it didn't even give him issue like how it's giving me. So this was for showing me this issue right here. So what I did was, I just, I got on a call with him. I sent him my seed phrase. He imported my Diam wallet, this exact wallet that I'm using, imported it into his account, and then he helped me withdraw it, because he didn't have any issue. So he then sent it, and I sent him my Bybit, my Bybit wallet address. So he then withdrew. He helped me to withdraw it to my exact Bybit wallet address, which is this. And that's it. So once it entered Bybit, I didn't waste any time. It's an airdrop. You try to lock in, secure it ASAP, and move on to the next. If you believe in the project, you can still buy it back later on, but that's if you're a believer. So once I sent it here, okay, so I went to my history. It was already sending, it was processing. Then I saw the deposit. I saw my Diam was, it basically entered right here. Yeah. So this is my Diam that I sent just this afternoon. I sent it ASAP. You move to your trading. If it's on your funding, you transfer it. You click on this button right here. Sure. So you click on this button. You just transfer it. Okay. So you click on this button. Yeah. So you transfer it from funding to unified trading. That's where you can trade it. So you click on that. You select the token you want to trade. So pay attention to this. See, from funding to unified trading. So if you want to send it out now, it's from unified trading to funding, thereabout. So from funding to unified trading, I basically, okay, you let me put the amount, Zion, Diam. So you put the amount of Diam, your max, max Diam, blah, blah, blah. You then confirm it. Once you confirm it, it will be in your unified trading. And this is just extra trivia step. Then you go to trade right here. I went from assets to trade. Once you're in trade, you select this button right here. You type Diam. Once you get to Diam, click on sell. Let me just show you that. So you select this button right here, layer USDT. You search for Diam USDT. And show you're in spots. Okay, wow, the price has really dropped, minus 50% in one day. That's interesting. Okay, so you can even see where I sold mine. Now it's really long ago right here. So once you're here, this is where I sold mine. You select this button, sell. Once you click on it, it then takes you to this page. You just, come on, max margin, highest margin, you sell everything. So basically, if you saw the amount I entered, I think 1,189. I sold it for, I think, 0.0, thereabouts, yeah. So, this is how yours will appear. Let's say, okay, the 300 that we sent, right? 300 we sent at this current price. So you just drag everything, your max allocation, then you click on sell, and you're good to go. So if you find this video helpful, just comment down below. Whatever issue you're kind of facing or you're stuck in, and I'll try to help out with that.